Hello and welcome back to Writing Practices. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into the art of crafting a payment plan proposal letter. This type of letter is a vital tool when you're facing financial challenges and need to negotiate a manageable repayment plan with a creditor or service provider. In this tutorial, we'll meticulously follow a specific letter template, ensuring we cover each element in the exact order presented. I'll provide detailed explanations for each section, highlight their importance, and offer examples directly from the template. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to write a clear, respectful, and effective payment plan proposal letter. Your contact information. We begin with your personal contact details, positioned at the top left corner of the letter. This information is crucial as it allows the recipient to identify you and provides them with the means to respond. Example: your full name, your street address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. Ensure all details are current and accurate. This sets a professional tone and facilitates open communication. Date. Next, include the date on which you're writing the letter. This should be placed one line below your contact information. Using the full date format, such as April 29th, 2025, is standard practice. It helps in maintaining accurate records and provides a timeline for any future correspondence. Recipient's information. Now we address the recipient's details. This includes their name or department, the company or organization name, and their address. Example: recipient's name or department, company or organization name, address, city, state, zip code. If you know the specific person handling your account, address the letter directly to them. If not, using a department name like billing department is acceptable. Subject line. The subject line succinctly states the purpose of your letter. Example: subject, proposal for payment plan arrangement. This line immediately informs the recipient of the letter's intent, ensuring it reaches the appropriate person or department promptly. Salutation. Begin the body of your letter with a formal greeting. Example: dear recipient's name or to whom it may concern. If you have a specific contact, use their name. Otherwise, a general salutation is appropriate. Opening paragraph, stating the issue. In the opening paragraph, clearly state the purpose of your letter and provide context regarding your financial situation. Example: I hope this message finds you well. I am writing regarding my outstanding balance of amount owed related to invoice number, account number, or description of the debt. Due to brief reason, such as temporary financial hardship, unexpected expenses, I am currently unable to pay the full amount in one payment. This paragraph sets the stage for your proposal. Be honest and concise about your circumstances, as transparency fosters trust and understanding. Second paragraph, proposing the payment plan. Here, you outline your proposed payment plan, detailing the amount and frequency of payments. Example: in light of this, I respectfully propose a payment plan that would allow me to settle the amount owed in manageable installments. I propose to pay proposed amount per week, month, beginning on start date, until the balance is fully paid. I am committed to honoring this arrangement and ensuring that all future payments are made promptly. Specify the payment amount, frequency, and start date. Demonstrating a clear plan shows your commitment to resolving the debt responsibly. Third paragraph, requesting consideration and offering flexibility. Express your willingness to work with the creditor and provide any necessary documentation. Example: I kindly request your consideration of this proposal and am open to discussing any adjustments that might be necessary. Please let me know if you require a signed agreement or any additional documentation to formalize this plan. This paragraph conveys your openness to negotiation and readiness to provide further information, which can facilitate the approval process. Closing paragraph, expressing gratitude and anticipating resolution. Conclude your letter by thanking the recipient and expressing hope for a positive outcome. Example: thank you very much for your understanding and support. I look forward to resolving this matter in a way that is satisfactory to both parties. A courteous closing reinforces your sincerity and desire for an amicable resolution. Formal closing. End your letter with a formal sign-off, followed by your name and signature if sending a hard copy. Example: sincerely your full name, your signature if sending a hard copy. This standard closing maintains professionalism and leaves a positive final impression. Crafting a well-structured payment plan proposal letter is a proactive step towards managing your financial obligations responsibly. By clearly communicating your situation and proposing a feasible repayment plan, you demonstrate integrity and a commitment to resolving your debts. Remember, the key elements of this letter include providing accurate contact information, clearly stating the outstanding debt and your financial hardship, proposing a realistic and manageable payment plan, expressing willingness to cooperate and provide additional information, maintaining a respectful and professional tone throughout. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more insights on effective communication and professional writing. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and keep writing with purpose.